Hey, Kharisma here. Welcome back. In today's video, I want to talk about 3 mindset blocks to making money. Grab your paper and pen and let's get started. Here's what I know for sure. If you want to have an abundant life, have a great impact in the world, change lives, you must provide something that matters enough for someone else to be willing to pay for it. In other words, you must give something of value. And sometimes when we live only in the spiritual realm, we stay over here and we think all we need to do is to meditate, to believe, to be in alignment, to attract what we desire, and it's just going to show up. Well, yes, that happens too. However, you also have to do the work. You also have to provide the value in exchange to receive the money, right? So it's not either or, it's both. Yes, money and abundance can show up miraculously and unexpectedly, and gifts and surprises, checks in the mail, all of those things happens, and you need to tap into that too. You need to be open to that too. But also, you need to be able to provide value, offer value in exchange for being compensated and receiving money, right? Both. To be open to both. So I'm going to share with you 3 mindset blocks to making money that I've seen from working with clients when they come to me, sometimes won't hold them back from really tapping in to their purpose, really tapping into their expertise, really tapping into what they're here to offer, what value they're here to give to the world and to their clients. First block is, as I alluded to earlier, is that they believe that if they just meditated all day, stay in a Zen pose and meditate and pray all day, money will just show up. But like I just said, it can, and it often will. But if you have to be open to the idea and have to be open to the mindset and shift your mindset that you are here to offer value. You have to offer value. You may not know how to package that value, and I can certainly help you with that. You may not know how to monetize your purpose or monetize your expertise. I can certainly help you with that as well. But the thing is that as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, as any person in this world, you have value. You have intrinsic value. So whether that's intrinsic, whether that's a natural gift that you have, or it's a learned skill, you have value to offer your clients. Whether it's based on your experience, you have value to offer. So instead of using meditating as an attempt to generate income, focus on the value that you have, that you are here to offer. So that's the first mental or mindset block that will keep you from making money or attracting money into your life and your business. Number 2, the second mindset block that's stopping you from making money and attracting money into your life and business is you're focusing on the money. You're focusing on getting the money instead of providing value, or you're focusing on making $10,000 a month or whatever that amount that you desire. You're fixated on the money as opposed to the value, right? It should be the other way around. Focus on the value, what you have to offer, and as a byproduct, the money will come. Money needs a purpose. When we only fixated on the amount that we want to bring into our life, and we should be clear, we should desire money, and lots of it, because the more money we have, the more people we can help and serve, right? But the mindset, if you're just focusing on getting the money, I worked with a client, all she was just focusing on getting the money. She couldn't see past what she had to offer. All she was figuring, well, I tried this coach and I tried that coach and I've been at this for forever and nothing. Well, yeah, nothing is going to work because your mindset is geared to the wrong path. You're not focusing on the value that you're here to provide. You're just focusing on getting the money. And when we focus on getting the money, it skews everything. First, you have to be clear on how much money you want to attract, how much money you want to earn or bring into your business. You have to be that clear on that dollar amount, and then give that money a purpose. What are you going to do with that money? Every month, what are you going to do? What is the money for? Money needs a purpose. Not just say, when I want $10,000 to do what with. It needs a purpose. So you need to get clear on that. But when you're just focusing on getting the money, just for getting the money's sake, and you're not thinking about providing value in exchange for the money, that will keep you stuck. It will block your path to abundance. And finally, number 3, the third way that you could be blocking, or you're having a mindset block to making money, is that you don't know how to package or monetize your purpose or expertise. You have a gift. You know how to serve, you know how to, facilitate transformation for others, but you don't know how to package it. You don't know how to package it in a product, a program, or service so that you can really support someone, or you can really provide the value and receive in exchange compensation for the value that you're providing. So therefore, you are probably offering one-offs, 1-hour sessions, charging $100 an hour, and working for peanuts. Or maybe you believe that you shouldn't be paid. A lot of spiritual entrepreneurs believe that, oh, it's okay, I'll just give away the value I have and I don't need to be paid. Well, you live on an earth where you need to pay for things. You need to be able to have money coming in so that you can live. You can put food on the table, you can provide for yourself and your family, and you can live an abundant life, a life that's good, a life that's healthy, and a life of well-being. But if you don't know how to package what your value is that you're offering into the world, then you're not going to be compensated. Or you're going to do your clients a disservice, and you're also going to do yourself a disservice. So that is the third way that you could be experiencing a mindset block to making money or attracting more money in your life and your business. So let me just do a quick recap of the 3 ways you could have three mental or mindset blocks that may be stopping you from making money or attracting more money in your life and in your business. So number 1 is just meditating and not taking inspired action. That's the number 1 way, that mindset block that you may have to making more money. Number 2 is really not focusing on the value, or your focusing is getting the money. And number 3 is not knowing how to package the value that you have as intrinsic to you into a program, product, or service that can serve the individuals you're meant to serve, and that you can be divinely be compensated. And I also mentioned about you not believing that you should be compensated because you believe that it's, you don't believe in being paid for your value. So that's a bonus. So I hope that these mindset blocks to making more money has given you an aha moment. If you've experienced these blocks, or you're experiencing these blocks right now, comment below, let me know if this is something that's familiar to you, or you're somebody that is going through this right now. Share this video with them. I hope that this video has been of value to you. Please like, share, and if you haven't joined the family yet, can't speak today. If you haven't joined the family yet, subscribe and coming to the family and join this vortex of inspiration, motivation, where I inspire you to become financially empowered, monetize your purpose, and rise into wealth, impact, and freedom. And if you need deeper support, check out my free masterclass below. It's all about 5 keys to overcoming what may be holding you back. Check that out. And if you know that you're ready for deeper support, let's jump on a call and see how I can support you in a private way. You can share what's been happening, and we can get a clear vision of where you are and where you desire to be, and I can help you close that gap if you are fit to work together. And as always, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life.